Leather comes from the skins of animal and reptiles, and the basic component is the hides of these animals. Although leather also comes from ostriches, snakes, crocodiles, and many other animals, but the most leather is derived from cattle. Process of leather making. Hides are first prepared by currying with salts. This is done to prevent hides from degradation. All the hides must be preserved before leather making process. Then these hides are soaked in clean water to remove the salts for several days. This process helps to remove all the salt and dirt and gives moisture to hides. Liming is the process where leather is soaked in an alkaline solution. It is done in a drum. This process will remove all the hairs, proteins, fats, and greases from hides. Next step is fleshing. The pelt is passed through a machine to remove fleshing tissues from the flesh side. Delming is the next step. Weak acids like boric acid, formic acid, lactic acid are used for this purpose. Purpose of delming is gradually neutralize the alkalis in the pelts. Batting is based on the use of enzymes to the pelts, and it is done to make it flat, relaxed, clean, and ready for the next step. Pickling is the next step, during which a weak acid and salt solution is used to bring the pelts to low acid so they can be stored for longer period. Tanning is the next step that turns the hide into leather. It is of different types. The most common is chrome tanning. For this purpose, a heavy metal chromium is used in the form of chromium sulfate, in which hides are dipped. Tanning makes leather stable and it will never rot or putrefy. During crusting process, shaving is done on known grain sides using a machine with helical blades. Then dyeing is done to give variety of colors to leather, meeting the fashion requirement. Next is lubrication with oil that keeps the leather flexible and soft, otherwise it will dry out. Samming is done to remove water. It is done on a machine like a large mangle with false-covered rollers. Drumming. In this process, a stacking machine massages the leather to separate fibers and make it more soft. It is done into rotating drums. Buffing and brushing. Through mechanical rubbing, the flesh surface is removed, then leather is brushed to remove extra dust. Finishing helps to level the color, control the gloss to protect it from water. Then finally, with lots of effort, leather is ready to make different items like bags, shoes, jackets, belts, and many others.